You can see how much of a geek I am with this display behind me. I am Ron Cruz. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Biology of the Ateneo de Manila University, and I'm also the author of The Cosmic Wild Biology of Science Fiction. There are several tropes in science fiction that are quite commonly found in that genre. For example, we have genetically modified organisms or clones, we have aliens, we have hybrids, and many weird anatomies of various organisms. So what I wanted to do was to be able to explain the biology behind these common science fiction tropes and just illuminate them with the scientific perspective so that it would be easier to understand how these anatomies and ecologies make sense from a scientific perspective. While my training is in biology, I'm also a student of popular culture. I consider myself to be very immersed in different aspects of popular culture, particularly literature. And I've always been fascinated with what is called speculative fiction, which includes science fiction. And in fact, I created a course called The Biology of Science Fiction, which is an elective in the Loyola schools. This book actually came a year or two after I started offering that course, and is a compilation of sorts of the lessons that we've been having in that particular class. So I took advantage of the fact that I had all of this material and compiled it into a book that I hope serves to popularize science by using science fiction as a medium. So it's really meant to be somewhat educational in the sense that it introduces the readers to science fiction if they're new to the genre, and also educating them on the biology behind common science fiction tropes. But I purposely wrote it in such a way that hopefully it entertains even casual readers. Science is a wonderful thing. Not a lot of people recognize that. I hope that this book contributes to the popularization of science and to the general perspective that science is full of wonder, and science fiction is a genre that best showcases that. And so I'd like this book to be able to, convince people that there's so much more to learn out there, and you can also bridge your interests. Even if you're trained in a particular field, you can still use your interests to be able to highlight certain aspects of that field, like I did. The Ateneo environment is very conducive to interdisciplinary initiatives like this, so I look forward to seeing more of such courses popping up as free electives for our students who are craving for more interdisciplinary content. I actually run a YouTube channel called Popsicle, that's spelled Popscicle. So it talks about popular culture, science, and everything in between. And if you're interested in purchasing my book, The Cosmic Wild Biology of Science Fiction, which was published by the Ateneo de Manila University Press in 2005, it is currently available as an ebook in the website of the ADMO Press.